Hello, this is Opinion Radar. And if you're anything like me, you love making your room feel personal without turning mom's walls into a literal art gallery. I'm talking about that new Me Wall Collage Kit that's been circulating on Pinterest and TikTok. I found myself scrolling through the product page because, honestly, I've tried a few DIY decor hacks that just ended up being a mess or a quick fix that never stuck, literally. In a month, we've lived with the same walls, and the urge to change up the vibe is stronger than ever. That's why I wanted to test out this kit that promising to let us create something cool but easy to remove. I grabbed the kit the moment it dropped from a delivery, and, spoiler alert, it was an instant hit. I'll walk you through my first impressions, how the stickers feel on the tongue of the product, and why I've decided to put my bedroom walls in the spotlight today. It's been a while since we've redecorated, and I can't wait to show you how this kit keeps things fresh without the usual hassle. So let's dive into how the Me Wall Collage Kit feels and works in an everyday teen space. Starting with my initial excitement. I was looking for a way to jazz up my bedroom and thought a wall collage kit would be fun, but I wasn't sure if the Me brand was legit. So I grabbed a kit and honestly, it looked super cool in my eyes before I even opened it. The first thing I noticed was how organized it came. Small sturdy tubes of stickers, a pile of printed photos, cute letter stickers, and those clear double-sided sticky dots that are the same size as a Post-it note. The packaging even had a quick start guide with a diagram that made it feel like you were setting up a tiny art project while also getting to do a puzzle. The whole kit is specifically tailored for teens, so the designs include inspirational quotes, fun doodles, and a mix of pastel and bold colors that go with almost any color scheme. Plus, the print quality is top-notch. Each image is crisp, and the paper feels thick so you can't see scratches from the sticky dots. Because it's pre-printed, you don't have to pick out your own decals or design from scratch, which was a game changer for a girl who likes to make decisions quickly. Using the kit was almost like a DIY art class, but without the messy glue. I started by laying out all the stickers on my desk and letting my imagination run wild. Just like a fashion-forward design board. The sticky dots are a total lifesaver. You just press one side onto the wall, lift the sticker, and attach it. No holes, no tape, no nails. That means you can move things around at any time, swap out seasons, or even share a design with a friend. For my senior project, I pinned a series of motivational quotes next to my study area, which instantly made my studying area feel more inspiring. It also works great with school lockers or hallway chalkboards when you want to decorate a space that's not officially yours. I even used a few of the letter stickers to spell out my name on the wall, and the colors pop so hard. All in all, the kit is incredibly versatile and lets you take control of the layout without feeling limited. The best thing about this kit is how easy it is for a sophomore to use and how it keeps the room looking fresh. The quality of the stickers is surprisingly high for a cheap price. They don't tear or wrinkle even after a week of hanging. The diversity of designs means there's something for everyone, from floral patterns to edgy comic-style art, and even a few no-drama, just study sayings that I found hilarious. I also love that each sticker comes in a reusable adhesive that can be peeled and moved when you're tired of a particular layout. This prevents the walls from looking cluttered forever. The value is insane. $0.16 is almost a bargain. Another major pro, it's a conversation starter. Every time I have friends over, they ask me where I got the design, and I love explaining how I mixed and matched pieces. The only downside is that the sticker colors can sometimes clash if you aren't careful, but with a little experimentation, I can match the theme perfectly. I did notice a few minor hiccups that might bother you a little. The adhesive dots feel a bit sticky if you're applying them on a wall with uneven texture. My wallpaper was a bit spongy, so I had to press for a longer time. And while the kit's design is teen-friendly, some of the quotes feel a bit generic. An oversaturated line of positivity can be a little cliché if you're going for a unique vibe. A bit of a downside is that there isn't a lot of guidance on how to organize a large wall if you're a visual planner. It feels more like a grab-and-go project. My brother liked the idea but thought the stickers were too small for a large mural, so some larger wall spaces might look a little sparse unless you combine a lot of small pieces. Finally, there's a little dust on the stickers from the packaging, so you'll need a microfiber cloth to clear them before placing. Nothing major, but a small extra step. I think the real buzz came when I set up my own bedroom around the collage. I started with the center wall and decided to build a kind of collage story that showed my favorite moments. A cute selfie from my school dance, an inspirational quote from my mom, and a doodle of a space rocket. Because I have a lot of throw pillows, I actually used a pillow-colored sticker behind my main chair to add an accidental splash of color. The layout looked super cohesive, and when my friends visited, they said that my room now feels like a personal gallery rather than just ordinary decor. The best part is that the stickers are gentle on the walls. No more plaster damage or sticky residue that you find from old tape. Even after a month of heavy use, the stickers still looked fresh and didn't peel off. Honestly, it even gave me a creative outlet that didn't require a whole bunch of craft tools. It almost feels like a tiny art project that you can finish in just a couple of hours. Besides decking out my own space, I've given this kit as a gift to a few people. My little older sister, who loves to personalize her own room, was over the moon when she got the kit for her birthday, and she ended up printing out some of her own fan art onto the stickers. Even my grandma, who thinks technology is a hassle, surprised me with how easy it was. She stuck a quote that says, "Home is where the heart is," and said it was a little surprise that made her house feel like hers again. The best part about gifting this is that you can pair it with a few extra custom stickers if you know the recipient has their own favorite designs. For a school project, a friend in robotics used the stickers to decorate their workspace, giving it a personal flavor that made their group's presentations super memorable. So, whether for a birthday, a graduation, or just a small pick-me-up, the Pretty Me Kit's versatility is huge. If you're looking for something easy that will completely change the look of a room, the Pretty Me Wall Collage Kit is definitely a go-at option. The materials are solid, the design choices feel super teen-centric, and the adhesive makes it easy to edit or move at will. I might have found a more high-end option if I'd spent more money, but for the price, I got a full set of stickers that looked professionally printed. So that's a win. The only real trade-off is that you don't get a brand new look for each wall. I had to mix and match multiple designs to achieve consistency across my whole room, but even that made me learn a bit about color coordination. Bottom line, it's cheap, super fun, and you'll walk into your space and feel like you're the curator of your very own art gallery. I definitely recommend it to anyone who wants to quickly make an ordinary wall into something special. If you're ready to turn your walls into a personal gallery, hit that like button, snag the Pretty Me Wall Collage Kit, and don't forget to smash that subscribe for more room revive hacks. I'll keep dishing out tips so we can flip every blank wall into a masterpiece together today.